Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Rayban Meta Gen 2s. I just picked these up yesterday from Best Buy. I know this is a vlog channel, but it's a little bit different, and I figured, you know what? I haven't seen too many videos of people unboxing these, showing what it comes with and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and make this video. If you guys like these, I will have a shopping link down below to the YouTube shopping app where you guys are gonna be able to purchase a pair. I went with the shiny black. I got the green tinted ones, which I haven't really seen too many people show. Let's just get right into it, man. Comes with a little pull tab right here. Very clean packaging, very simple. Open it up. Oh, and voila. Here we go, baby. Now, I've had the Gen 1s before, and the difference between this and the first gen that made me want to purchase this is that the Gen 2s have the ability to film in 3K, which means you get higher resolution, you're able to crop in a little bit if you need, which is something that I really want to test on this. Better battery life. I think they say this is 20% sleeker than the first model, so it doesn't feel too heavy on your face. But look at this case right here. It's a very nice feeling case. When I first got the other pair, I was like, whoa, this is kind of crazy. This feels good. I'm interested to see what these green tints actually look like. I don't think they had them out on display. Oh my God, yeah. Yo, these aren't even green, they just call it green. I think this is a W purchase, man. Let's go ahead and take this thing off. Ooh. So like I said, man, I went with the shiny black. The first pair that I got was the matte black. And what I noticed was anytime I would touch it or take it off, even like on this inside part right here, I'm super oily. So when I would like touch it or take it off my face, you would see the residual oil in there, and that was just not the look. So since this is shiny already, it should help with that. Keep that in mind if you guys are looking to purchase. And this model is actually the cheaper model. This one was $370 before tax. And yeah, they stay sunglasses the whole time. Let's see what else comes in this box. All right, we have a cleaning wipe right here. I'm just gonna keep this in the case because like I said, your boy gets a little oily. Ray-Ban did a really good job making this feel pretty luxurious. The whole inside feels like a suede or Alcantara. I can't really tell, but it feels very nice to the touch, nice and soft. And this charging case, I think will give you about 20 hours of charging. And that's with the glasses holding about an 8-hour charge already. So that's pretty good. The case does charge with USB-C. And then over here, we probably have some manuals and stuff like that. Yeah, nothing too crazy, man, nothing too crazy. But let's go ahead and throw these joints on, bro. Let's see what's good. Oh yeah, here we go. I have a pretty big face, so to find glasses that fit me nice is kind of hard sometimes, man, but I think this is the perfect size. Definitely make sure to try them on in store because to get the size is a little bit difficult sometimes. But I really like the way that these lenses look. The reason that I picked the sunglasses and not the transition ones is because on my first gen, I had the transitions, and indoors it was cool. It was nice and clear, but once I stepped outside, the tinting on it was not as dark as this. One of my pet peeves is when you wear sunglasses and you can still see the person's eyes. With the transition lenses, they are more expensive. They do transition, but you still see the person's eyes. It's like half of this darkness. And on face, I feel like these, I don't know if it's like a placebo effect, but I feel like these fit a lot better than the other ones. These feel a little bit more like normal sunglasses. They don't feel too wide on the side. I think they feel really good, actually. Out of all the configurations that you could do, I think this is the best one. Best bang for your buck. You get it for $370, sunglasses only, shiny black. I will have it linked down below if you guys want to support the channel. It does come with speakers on the inside, so I'm able to listen to music without looking like I'm listening to music. You know what I mean? I could just be vibing by myself, walking, and you would not know I'm listening to music, listening to podcasts, and I kind of like that stealthy vibe. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm gonna be filming some content with this. I'm actually about to head out right now. I'm gonna go on a little scooter ride, maybe a little bike ride, and go ahead and test these out. I know these are super popular right now, so yeah, in my opinion, with the Gen 1s, I really like those, but I feel like the Gen 2s, what is there to not like about higher quality, more charging time, feeling a lot nicer. And even though they are kind of pricey, I think this spec right here, the cheapest spec, this is it right here, man. I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.